Hiya, I recently hit 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. Do you have enough space for 1,000 people? Hello my friends, we're walking up a sketchy alley. What's going on up here in Glasgow? We're moving up towards where are we? Where am I? We're in where am I? I'm confused. We are moving up. It looks like we're in South Korea here. This looks like South Korea. What's this? The Howling Wolf Backdoor Man. I'm a backdoor man. Is that got music in it? No? Is that opened? Yeah, it does, but that looks quite nice. It is. Nice bar. Never knew that existed. That. But there's copyright music, so I've never even knew this place existed. What's that? It's a Malone's? Is that an Irish bar? Yes, it is. Okay, this. Live sports. Craig, England Sewer, great food. I don't know where this alley leads, but we're heading up towards Sauchiehall Street for a very special kicking that I'm probably going to get, because I don't know where this ends. Probably somewhere amazing, because I'm jacked up in life, jacked up. I've got 1,000 new friends, over 1,000 new friends, and this is what this, I was going to say stream. Oh my god, he thinks he's a streamer. This isn't Twitch, mate. It's not Twitch. You're a baldy 40-year-old, you know, old man. You can't be a Twitch streamer. Well, look at Lemmy. Look at Lemmy. That proves the point. Correct. So, Sauchiehall Street, absolute dive. Bricks. It's like it's been made of Lego. So you've got Smash Burger. Smash. We're moving up here. I'm going to show you something to thank yourselves as beautiful subscribers, as beautiful likers, and you know, just assisting me in my life. All the support you give me, I'm going to give you it all back. This is just the beginning. I'm trying to get warmed up in life again. Try to get warmed up, and I'm going to do everything I can to make you a little bit happier. I want you to feel a little bit happier at the end of a video. So I try and keep everything as positive as possible. No negative interactions, no Charlie Veach stuff as people have been saying. No, it's all about love, and I don't mean hippie love, I mean just we're all going to go the same way essentially. So it's just about making it a little bit better. Look how bright it is in there for all the vapours. The vapours, I'm not going to say the slang for it because it might sound like something else, and I don't want it to get bammed. So as we move up here, we're moving into the party zone, the party district, and I want to... There's Tesco Express. Useless. I know the guy who does security in it though. He's no useless. He's a nice guy. So, moving up to Sauchiehall Street, the busy end, the end, you know what? Hold on. Hold up. What have we got there? The Rennie Macintosh. You like that? Some Rennie Macintosh stuff. Some nice sterling silver. Yeah. Some nice Burley China. I think, what kind of cutlery and tea sets does Donald Trump use? China. Oh my god, the patter is poor. You know what, if we get some sellotape, we'll stitch this together and we'll find out what it's all about. Who killed JFK? What was Mulder after on the X-Files? We'll find out, my friends. Onwards. What's this? The pipe stuff. Yo dude. There we go, look. Amazing trinkets he's working in there. Oh, I wish he was open. I could go in and have a look at what he's doing. Look at that. I'm going to ask him, I'm going to go in there. I'm going to say, listen mate, I need a trophy in the shape of a pair of shoes. And he's going to, oh, you've got him. Right, let's go. Black Sheep Coffee over there. You've got Blythewood Street up there. Blythewood Square was notorious for women of the night at one point. I don't know if it still is. You've got Boba Cup, man. There, you got a payphone. That's not going to work. Since 1980, Maggie Thatcher era. All the milk from the schools pulled it. Never pull out, my friends. We know the deal. Never pull out. Go hard or go home. I've been telling myself that all day. You know, the channel's not going to work if I'm just faffing about doing a kind of boring food review. The food reviews are good, I enjoy those, but I need to make them better. I need to shake them up a bit. So, give me ideas. What shall I do to make things a little bit better, a little bit bolder? A fruta fratin, my friends. If you know what that means, put it in the comments. You may know the individual who says that, who I'm copying, saying that. But no copying, I was inspired by him. When I was recovering from surgery in January, I sat there for 4 weeks and I waited for my body to use its magic to cement the sutures and the tissues that had been sliced by the surgeon's knife. And heal them up like Wolverine, and it did. And I learned an awful lot about myself and making sure that I take care of myself. and keep away from... Oh, there's a guy following me with his hood up. He's going to try and take this camera. Well, he better be fast. You better be fast, man. We'll see. We'll see. Gonna have to be fast. It's strapped to my wrist, mate. You're gonna have to take my wrist as well. They may take my camera, but you'll need to take my wrist too. You know what? What's that? Well, that looks nice. This might work, actually. This might work. Hold on. Bum, bum, ba, bum, bum, bum. How you doing, my friend? I just recently hit 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. Is there any way I can get a table for 1,000 of my friends in here? Do you have the facilities in this establishment? No. Thank you very much. Have a good night. Thank you. All the very best. I think somebody's following me out there. I was trying to get my camera. Is this a safe street to be on? Yeah. Is it? No problems, no? Cool. Thank you. Well, let's see. Shall we reverse back? Are they following us? There we go, my friend. So, can I get a table in there for 1,000 people? And it's actually 1,074 now, I just checked. So, wait, onwards, my friends. Let's try somewhere else. See if we can get a table for us. All join round. We'll all join hands. We'll sing a wee song. 1,000 of us walking down the streets of Sauchiehall Street on a Monday night. Like some kind of Warriors film. So, newsagents. Pizza, shawarma. Now I'm following the guy that was following me. Who's following who now, mate? I'm following you now, mate. Now I've got a camera. I've literally got eyes in the back of my head. I've got 1,074 people on a line. Right, so we've got the Admiral there. Wait a minute. There is a Chinese restaurant. I'm not even going to try and pronounce it. Szechuan House, something like that. Can I go in there? Anything in there interesting? No. Hiya, I recently hit 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. Do you have enough space for 1,000 people? No? No. Thank you. All the best. Have a good night. Yeah, it's going to be difficult, my friends. We're going to have to really, I don't know, maybe have to sit outside in some places. Or, the people who are maybe saying a couple of negative comments in the past, maybe they can sit outside, but now you've came to the love side. The thing is, anytime somebody says something negative, I take it on. If it's genuine criticism, I absolutely take it on, because I don't know what I'm doing. I make a mess of most things in life, but I just try and improve a little bit. So, yeah, that's Hengler Circus. That's another Weatherspoon's pub, which we'll try that probably in the next food review, just to see what it's like in there, because we've tried the Ark, we've tried Barholm, we've tried the Counting House, we've tried the Crystal Palace, now we've tried West as well, which you'll see coming up. West Place, which is fantastic brewery, fantastic food, fantastic staff. You'll see the rating of that. It looks amazing inside. It's an amazing place just to go and hang out with your friends. So as we move up here on Sauchiehall Street on a Monday night, it is 8:30 at night, and there you go, the big Rennie Mackintosh, sorry, the big Art Deco building. There's something out of Dirty Harry. Yeah, like that. As I say, streets are looking good. It's not too dodgy looking, everything seems fine. As I say, Friday night we're going to come here at some point at 2 in the morning. We'll do like a buddy movie with all the cops that sat in there. No Mean Pub. Nice. There's a garage, does gigs and nightclubs. I used to go in there every Friday night into the garage, me and my bra, and he would fall asleep in the toilet, just religiously, because he gets about 2 hours sleep a night and thinks he can drink. So it's this nice and sleazy, yeah. That's how I like it, nice and sleazy, my brothers and sisters. What's that down there? Is that a bar down there or what? Oh, okay. Bam, bam, bam. Well, that's a toilet, actually. We don't want to get in there. Oh my god, he's gone down to the toilet with a camera. Absolutely. Talking about nice and sleazy, that's a bit too sleazy. Anyway, my friends, you've got a casino over there. There's the box right there, which the last time I was in there, I spewed. Somebody gave me a glass of Buckfast tonic wine, and I spewed it in the sink. That's music on, it's too loud, that'll mess up the video totally. But yeah, last time I was in there and the bouncer followed me in, and I turned round after spewing in the sink, sick, obviously. And he says, I hope you're going to clean that up, mate. I was like, oh, of course I will. But yeah, Buckfast doesn't make you, you know what I'm going to say. Right, onwards my friends. There you go. A bit of modern art in Glasgow, don't know what it is. It's like in Bonfire Night when you get the people selling the stuff, they've just froze there like Medusa. So, up that way you've got a pool hall place, I think it's called Q Club. As I say, I'm not a historian. I'm not a historian. I think San Diego, roughly translated, means a whale's vagina. You get driftwood up that way, there, obviously. Music on there as well. But I tell you what, my friends, I'm going to leave it here. We'll make that into a little short as well. Thank you so much for subscribing, all the likes, all the help you've given me. That's right, end of video next time, Waterway. Oh my god, such quality content. I do apologise for the noise. Thanks for everything, guys. I really appreciate it. And I'll see you in the next one. Yes, man.